Hi, I am Imal Aswath. I am going to teach for 10th standard. The chapter is real numbers. If the HCF of 408 and 1032 is expressible in the form 1032m minus 4008 into 5, find m. Here what is the question is if the HCF of 408. So first we have to find 408 and H0 1032 HCF. So to find HCF of 408 and 1032. So here 408 and 1032. So both numbers are divisible by 4. So otherwise you have to start from the smallest number. So here it is 4 plus 8 12. So it is divisible by 4. Then 4 plus 2. That is last digit. That is 8 is divisible by 4. Then 32 is divisible by 4. Therefore divisible by 4. So 1, 0, 2. Then 2 4s are 8. Then 23. Then 5 4s are 20. 8 4s are 32. Next again 102, 258. Next we have to by 2. So 5, then 1, then 1, 2 2s are 4, 18, 9. Then next 5 plus 1, 6. So divisible by 3. Then here 3 plus 9, 12. So divisible by 3. So 1, 3, 7 3s are 21. Then here 4 3s are 12. 3 3s are 9. 3 3s are 9. Now 4 2s are 8. 8 3s are 24. 4 2s are 8. 8 3s are 24. So HCF equal to 24. Now what is given is the HCF is expressible in the form 1032m minus 408 into 5. So 24 equal to 1032m minus 408 into 5. So now 408 into 5 is 8 5s are 40. Then 4 5s are 20. Bring this one here. So what is 1032m equal to 2064. 2064. So what is m? M equal to 2064 divided by 1032. It is equal to 2. So what is the value of m? M equal to 2. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe.